I am a small family forest owner, so I have redwood trees at home that we sustainably manage. And for generations, my family has worked in the forest. So oftentimes when I'm out in a forest like this is a place where my father and my grandfather actually logged. So this forest was harvested in about the 40s or 50s, and the College of Redwoods forest has some remnant old growth trees, but most of it is second growth trees. Any given day when I'm providing instruction for my courses here in Forestry and Natural Resources at the college, students will be in the classroom for lecture, and it's only a 5 or 10 minute hike up here into the school forest, and we're measuring trees, we're evaluating wildlife habitat, and learning about forests in the forest. And when I think about redwood forests and their impact on our community, there's a long historical history or story to tell about how redwoods have impacted people for generations, both Native American cultures to European immigrants coming to the area, looking for work, cutting trees, supplying the birth of San Francisco with our redwoods, of course. But then there's also an important story of resilience and sustainability in our community. And redwoods continue to be an important product. We build fences and decks kind of primarily out of that beautiful wood. But also every step of the way, whether it's restoration or protecting wildlife habitat, there's many, many jobs that are connected to that. So restoring fish habitat, restoring redwood forests, that funding goes to really good paying jobs in our community.